started. Adding and subtracting simple fractions and mixed fractions. Always remember the 3 P's. What are the 3 P's? Be prepared, be positive, and be productive. Let's have our drill. Identify the given situation, whether it is fact or bluff. 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. The answer is fact. 3 and 12 are divisible by 4. The answer is bluff. 14 and 50 are divisible by 2. The answer is fact. And now let's have our review. 4/10, or we can read this fraction as 4/10. 4/10 is in higher term, and let's make it in lowest term. What is the numerator? 4. What is the denominator? 10. What is the GCF of 4 and 10? It is 2. And now, let's divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So, 2/5 is the lowest term of 4/10. Next, let's have 22/7. 22/7 is an improper fraction. Let's change to mixed fraction. How? Here's the solution. Let's divide 22 by 7. So, 22 divided by 7 equals 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. 3 is the whole number. 1 is numerator and the denominator is 7. So 22/7 is equal to 3 and 1/7. How do you add or subtract fractions? Adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominators is easy. Just add or subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. If the answer is in improper fraction, change to mixed fraction. Always simplify the answer in lowest term. And now let's have the examples. 1/5 plus 3/5 equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. The denominator is 5, so the answer is 4/5. 4/5 is in lowest term, and that is our final answer. Next example, 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 3 plus 1, 4 over 8. 4/8 is in higher term. Let's find the GCF. The GCF is 4. So we have 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The answer is 1/2. Let's have the last or the next example. 11/12 plus 3/12 equals 14/12. 14/12 is in higher term. What is the GCF? The GCF is 2. So, 14 divided by 2, 7. 12 divided by 2, 6. 7/6 is an improper fraction. So, let's change to mixed fraction. The answer is 1 and 1/6. More examples. 10/15. minus 3 over 15. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So the denominator is 15. So 7 over 15 is in lowest term. Let's have another example. 6 over 7 minus 3 over 7. 6 minus 3 equals 3. The denominator is 7. So the answer is 3 over 7 and it is in lowest term. So let's have 4 over 20 minus 2 over 20. 4 minus 2 equals 2. The denominator is 20. So we have 2 over 20 and it is in higher term. The GCF is 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So the final answer is 110. Before we proceed to the next examples, let me remind you of the following. Adding mixed fractions, you can add first the whole numbers, then the fractions. But in subtracting fractions, you must subtract first the numerators or the fractions before the whole numbers. And now, let's proceed. Let's have example number 1. 9 and 5, 6 minus 7 and 4, 6. So again, let's have the fractions first. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The denominator is 6. Then we have the whole numbers. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 2 and 1, 6 is the final answer. Let's have example number 2. 2 and 2 ninths plus 3 and 4 ninths equals, you can add the whole numbers first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then we have the fractions. 2 plus 4, 6 over 9. 6 over 9, the fractional part is in higher term. So let's find the GCF. The GCF is 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Don't forget to write the whole number. The final answer is 5 and 2/3. Next example, 10 minus 5 and 3/4. Let's rename or regroup 10. So we'll get 1 from 10, it becomes 9. 1, we will make 1 as a fraction. So it becomes 4 over 4 because we are basing on the given denominator. Then minus 5 and 3/4 equals, so let's subtract first the numerators. We have 4 minus 3 equals 1. The denominator is 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So the final answer is 4 and 1/4. Let's have more examples here. We can also write the fractions in column. So we have 3 and 1/7 plus 6 and 3/7 plus 9 and 5/7. So we can add first the whole numbers. So we have 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 18. Now let's have the fractional parts. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. 9 over 7. So 9 over 7 is in an improper fraction. So let's change to mixed fraction. So 9 over 7 is equal to 1 and 2/7. So 18 and 9 over 7 equals 18 plus 1 and 2/7, and the final answer is 19 and 2/7. Next, let's have another example. 10 and 1/9 minus 4 and 7/9. As what I have said, let's subtract first the fractional part. So we have 1 minus 7. So we cannot subtract 7 plus 1. We cannot subtract 7 from 1. So let's rename or regroup. So we have 9, then 9 over 9. So we have 9 and 9 over 9 plus 1/9 equals 9 and 10 over 9. Then copy the subtrahend. We have 4 and 7/9. So we have 10 minus 7, 3 over 9. 9 minus 4, 5. So we have 5 and 3/9. 3/9 is in higher term. So let's make it in lowest term. So the GCF is 3. So we have 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So the final answer is 5 and 1/3. Study the examples again. Just watch this video as many times as you want. Thanks for watching. Just leave your comments in the comment section. This is Teacher Rin. Thank you for listening. That's it. What are you waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel now for more updates and videos. Bye bye. See you. Take care always.